Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use Affirm on Travelocity. To use Affirm for payments on Travelocity, these are the steps that you need to take. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Travelocity website. Then at the top right corner of the screen, you're going to see the login option, so just follow through with that and enter your account credentials to log in. Once logged in, head over to the top left corner of the page. On the top left corner of the page, you're going to see this option that says Shop Travel. Click on that to explore options like stays, flights, cars, packages, etc. Now choose your preferred travel options and proceed to book the desired service, which could be hotel, flights, package, whatever that is. So let me say flights. All right. Now the next thing is to select your preference. Now, date, locations, and just leaving from where. Okay. I'm leaving from Abuja and I'm going to London. So you can check this box at a place to stay or at a car. And then your date, I think date school, who's traveling, just me. And I'm just going to head over to the search bar. So flights are loading. And now the next thing to do is to select the flight that you want. So let's say I need this flight and I'm just going to select the standard economy because I'm a big girl. So it's going to take me to the next page. All right. So my returning flight. Okay, I'm just going to select. I'm literally selecting anything. What do I have there? $0. All right. So I think I like this. So no thanks. Just give me my stuff. Should have taken me to the trip review page for me to review my trip. All right, that's it. Abuja to London, London to Abuja. Thank you. And the next step is to select fit and checkout. Of course, that's after confirming that you have to confirm that the details are correct. So click on checkout. I'm paying $3,119 for this trip, for this Braemont trip. All right, who's traveling? More details about you. So just enter this, more details, and once you've entered all of these details, it's going to take you here. Now, this is where I want to take you to, which is how would you like to pay? And that's the payment option. The payment section of the checkout page, you see several payment options. So go ahead and look for Affirm. All right, let's see if you can do Affirm. And it's payment option. So how would you like to pay? Debit card, credit card, click to pay. Just say click to pay, secure. All right, cool. So head over to the credit card or debit card. You can see this American Express. You see MasterCard. You see this one, this one, see this one. You see name on card. And if you scroll down, you have all of these options, and nothing is looking like Affirm here to pay. Nothing is looking like Affirm. Nothing is looking like Affirm. All right, so Travelocity doesn't support Affirm directly, but there's a way out, right? There's a way out of it. Now you can just get your card details from Affirm. Ensure that you have card details on Affirm. And then on the card details, that's your Affirm card details. Just enter your name on the card and enter your debit or credit card number from the Affirm. Enter the expiration date and the security code, and that's it. So your balance will be withdrawn from your Affirm balance, and that should work for you. So that is how you can use Affirm, because Affirm is not directly available here. To ensure you have your Affirm card so that you can add your card details or your credit card details for your Affirm. And you can use it that way. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope in this tutorial marvelously helped you search.